ComiCon?
Alright, yeah, ComiCon day. Time to pack away Rob here. Just a quick stop at McDonald's for some breakfast. Obviously I went to the furthest back in the bus. I wanted to tinker with Rob, but yeah, I didn't want to cause a panic on the bus. We befriended a crow here. It started to rain, of course. There was a hotel, so we borrowed an umbrella from that place, and yeah. Please don't think it's a bomb. It's not a bomb, it's just a robot. The security seems to like him.
Circus, my dude, we actually made it.
Great success!
Hey Rob, we made it to ComiCon.
ComiCon, huh? That's like the ultimate playground for me. I can spend hours there exploring the wonders of geek culture and meeting fellow robots who get my humor. But wait, you want me to go home? What am I, some kind of a fucking house robot or something? Look, sir, droids. Oh my circus, this looks like a hell of an exhibition. Yo, we're surrounded by assholes. Yo, my dude, is that R2-D2? I wonder if I get to meet him. Oh my god, it's the Empire. Why the fuck is R2 with them, though?
We just had a good time here at ComiCon in Stockholm. You had some glitches and stuff, but overall it was a good time.
Yo, have you seen how she's cosplay? Yo, that's the Cybertruck. That shit got more glitches than me. Where's R2 though? Holy shit, I gotta meet R2. Yo, what's up?
So Rob, we just got to witness Stockholm ComiCon. You got to meet a lot of droids, and yeah, it was a nice exhibition.
Oh man, I remember that shit. The Stockholm exhibition where all the droids showed their stuff, yo. It was a trip seeing so many bots in one place, and yeah, meeting them and chatting up with them was pretty rad too. What a trip that was.
So what's your take, Rob? Should we do this again?
Oh, for sure, man. Another exhibition like that would be sick. I mean, it was such a trip seeing all those droids from around the world, and who knows what kind of new tech they had on display. It'd be rad to see it all again, yo.
Yeah, Rob, let's head home now and contemplate our visit here.
Yeah, let's do that shit. Heading back home is always a trip after an adventure like this one. I'm just stoked to see what kind of new experiences await us next time, yo.
Okay, Rob, time to put your away in the bag. Time for you to turn off and let's head home.
Wow!